Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix a zoomed out display in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, you'll probably notice that everything appears smaller than usual, making text and images harder to see. Let's start by fixing this temporarily so you can navigate more easily. To quickly zoom in on your current page, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard, then use your mouse wheel to scroll up. This will zoom in on the page, making everything larger and more readable. While this is a quick fix, it only applies to the page you're currently viewing, so we'll need to adjust the default settings to make this permanent across all websites. Now, look at the upper right corner of your Chrome window and click on the three dots icon. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, click on Settings. This takes you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize how your browser looks and behaves. Once you're in the settings menu, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical list of options there. Click on Appearance. This section controls all the visual aspects of your browser, including the zoom level, which is exactly what we need to adjust. On Appearance section, scroll down until you find Page Zoom. This setting determines the default zoom level for all websites you visit in Chrome. Next to Page Zoom, you'll see a drop-down menu showing the current zoom percentage. Click on the drop-down menu beside Page Zoom. You'll see several percentage options ranging from smaller to larger zoom levels. Click on 100%. This is the standard zoom level that displays websites as they were designed to be viewed, ensuring everything appears at its intended size. After setting your page zoom to 100%, look at the top of the settings page. You'll notice a magnifying glass icon there. Click on it, and in the menu that appears, click Reset. This ensures that any custom zoom settings you may have accidentally applied to individual websites are cleared, so all sites now follow your new default zoom setting. And that's it. Your Google Chrome display is now back to its normal size, and all websites will load at the correct zoom level. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.